Welcome to another episode of Off-Point Cooking. I'm Marlon White, and everybody that knows me knows that I'm on a ketogenic diet, so I'm always looking for new ways to mix things up. So today we're going to be making bacon mac and cheese using these following ingredients.
So for this recipe, you're going to need cauliflower, 4 cheese blend, double cream, cream cheese, bacon, paprika, garlic granule, sea salt, and black pepper. Start by cutting at 1 floret of cauliflower. Now put to the side for later. Now add 3 pieces of bacon to a frying pan on a medium-high fire. Cook until crispy on both sides and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. We're now going to cut our bacon into small little pieces. Once you finish cutting up your bacon, put it to the side. Now add your cauliflower to a pot of boiling water on a medium-high fire. Allow your cauliflower to boil for approximately 4 minutes. Drain off your cauliflower in the sink and then put to the side. Now in a separate pot on a low fire, add 1 cup of double cream. Now add 1/4 cup of cream cheese to the pot. Now add 1/3 of a cup of 4 cheese blend. Now give the pot a light mix. Now add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Then 1 teaspoon of garlic granules. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Now give the pot a good mix. Allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Then in a baking dish we're going to transfer in our cauliflower that we cooked earlier. We're then going to cover the cauliflower with our sauce. We're then going to cover our cauliflower with 2 cups of our 4 cheese blend. Then we're going to add our bacon and spread it around evenly. Then finally we're going to add 1/2 cup of our 4 cheese blend again. Place in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Allow your mac and cheese to cool for 15 minutes before serving. Your bacon mac and cheese is now ready to serve. This has been another episode of Off-Point Cooking. I hope you enjoyed. Before you get out of here, please check out my new website. I'll be posting my new recipes to it regularly. The link will be in the description below. Please like the current video and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel.